You guys, I fell for the hype. I got my first little Sunny Angels baby. I got one of the Hippers, the Looking Back series. Let's see. I kind of would be happy with any of them, but I really want either the rabbit, the mouse, or the elephant. The duck is really cute too, so maybe the duck, but let's see what I got. Hold on, let me get this plastic off. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to pop it like they do. Let's see. No. So bad. I'm gonna guess. I think that I either got the fawn or the cat. Let's see. Aww, okay, I got the dog. That's really cute, right? Yeah, the French Bulldog. Super cute and honestly matches my nails, so perfect. So happy.